I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the times. Need to keep busy.
Good morning, we are here in Monterey. This is the second video in our road trip kind of going up Highway 1, and today we are starting in Monterey. So this is going to be a little bit different. In that video, if you want to watch it, I'll link it somewhere on the screen, was a little busier, doing and seeing more, but we're pretty tired, and it being really cold. It was like 36 degrees last night. So I think this is going to be a more mellow video, just kind of like hanging out in the van, hanging out on the beach. We're just gonna kind of have a mellow time. So if you're interested, you can keep watching and be sure to subscribe down below. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tori or Victoria. This is Lindsay, my travel buddy for the week. So yeah.
The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better being alone together.
We are back in the van because it was super cold outside, and so we're gonna keep doing what we were doing but cozy in bed. Maybe watching an episode of Emily in Paris. And God, these are reflecting a lot. And then make lunch. It is now lunchtime. We are making some avocado toast and heating up some water for our spicy ramen. It won't fit there. Nice.
Let it sit more.
I made my ginger tea. Got my toast. Are you happy right now?
Used to get my head down.
I grew up watching American TV.
So we are finally making some moves after a very long afternoon watching Emily in Paris. But now we are just walking to Canary Row in Monterey. And it's almost sunset. So we're gonna try to walk around, see the shops and everything, and then catch sunset at the wharf, which we did last night, which was beautiful. And maybe, are we gonna make dinner or eat dinner out?
I think we're gonna make dinner one more night and then tomorrow
eat out tomorrow. Tomorrow we're treating ourselves. We're also running low on food that's not pasta. So tonight we'll make dinner, probably then watch sunset and watch more Emily in Paris. Sounds like a good day.
Used to rush to work and have no time for fun and spend half of my life on full highways. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town, home with the family, all new reality, four walls and a door, nothing's like before, you and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple, there's so much we can do.
Fully coming out.
I think that's the move. So where did the sun go?
It's like literally was nothing and now it's something.
Home, build a fort in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bedroom, look at stars and eyes, keep it simple, disconnect the telephone, rip up all the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on the Bachelor, we'll still laugh again. The day we kept it simple. Always used to worry, always in a hurry. Let our love the minutes just fly by. Focus on the wrong.
We were ready to make pasta for dinner, but then we decided that it's just not what we wanted. So we're gonna have pasta for lunch tomorrow as well, and we had pasta last night. So we did something else. So we got a large fries from Carl's Jr. and then we're sharing an Ike's sandwich. And if you watched my last video from this trip, we ate Ike's the first day, but we just really like Ike's. They have really good vegan sandwiches. So this is dinner.
Wait, I didn't even think of this. Oh my god.
I hate that it's doing the stripes, but this looks so good. It's vegan, like breaded chicken with like barbecue sauce. And then their special sauce and lettuce, tomato, onions, vegan cheese. This is quite a meal.
Oh, I'm about fish.
So we went to CVS to use the bathroom before bed, and now we are watching Emily in Paris, and we just got a little fireworks show, which was very fun, but we're gonna keep watching Emily in Paris and then probably go to sleep. So, good night.
Good night.
We will see you tomorrow. We're parked somewhere beautiful, so be excited for the morning. Good morning. We are in Santa Cruz. Oh. So we woke up in Monterey. Where we slept last night was absolutely beautiful. I actually slept pretty well, like the best night of sleep I've had so far. And then we drove to Santa Cruz. We're making breakfast. It's quite the spread. So we are ready for a good day. We have the beach. We might walk around town for a little bit, but we haven't fully decided, so we shall see. So for this, we just put some of the crunchy Trader Joe's almond butter with some grape jelly and toasted the sourdough and breakfast with a view. Cheers.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I said, it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright.
Okay, maybe later we'll go up.
Little darling, the smiles return into the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been.
So we are just walking on the bluff, watching the surfers. We made a van friend who we're probably going to see later today, which is very exciting because we haven't made any van friends this trip, even though we've seen vans everywhere. But now we're going to go to a Hawaiian place for dinner and then probably just beach and booze. So, should be a good night.
Stay tuned for some vlogs.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm not.
Do you want to meet the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Oh, do I want to be on the
Do you
vlog?
want to meet the vlog?
You have to meet the.
Okay, so introduce yourself.
I am Austin, and
This is your van.
this is my van,
Does your van have a name?
Nelson.
Nelson. Okay, my van's Ginny. Some incense going.
I'll
We're
put
gonna
this
have
on
some
my-
dinner.
I'll put it on my.
We'll do a better van tour later.
Nothing.
What's up with your vlog?
Well,
So-
explain what's up with the vlog.
So the vlog.
Explain what's up with the vlog.
Okay. Where do I begin with the vlog? So a couple years ago, I started like a YouTube channel just for fun.
Yeah.
Am I also telling you the vlog?
Yeah.
Are you like a famous YouTuber?
No, I'm nowhere near. That's more of like a hobby, like a creative outlet.
I really want to know what's up with this vlog.
And then I was traveling and like those videos did really well and I started making money from them. And so I was like,
Yeah.
oh, this is cool. Like I can make money traveling, you know? So the vlog has ebbed and flowed. I got home, like didn't make a video for like a year and then tried to start documenting the van, which I've done very poorly and I'm sorry for not documenting the van better. But I've done it on TikTok and Instagram. My TikToks are great.
They're on point.
They're on point.
End of the story.
Subscribe!
Hit the like button.
Setting up the tent, and
Yeah, that's a good video.
we got our one-person tent with Victoria sleeping, and then
That light, that green.
Actually,
little
I
light.
see a glow stick out there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And so it doesn't make sense.
Yeah. All the equipment.
I'll take it if you won't make it, and I'll send it to you for you to post. We need all of this, like all of our shit off your counter.
Obviously. LEDs worked because it lights up this backsplash so nice.
Good night, everybody!
The goodbye.
This is the good. Well, we're all parking in the same spot, so. Tell me how you feel.
I don't feel.
as beautiful as the view is, unfortunately, as girls traveling solo, we attract a lot of unwanted attention.
Yeah, I was outside watching the surf and he was like, oh, you surf? And I was like, kind of. And he was like, okay. And then he went and started talking to me. Then he's like, what's your number? And then he asked my number in front of our other van friend.
I was in the van and I get a text saying help me. So I go out to remove her from the situation. We come back to the van with the excuse of making breakfast, and then he comes to the van and wants a tour. So it's hard. It's hard. It has its struggles. But now we're gonna make breakfast. Well, we're not even that hungry.
We didn't even want breakfast.
So anyway, we are maybe gonna make breakfast. Enjoy the view. We had a great night last night. We made a van friend and got to hang out in his van, which had a heater, which was really nice. So yeah, hopefully today will continue a little bit better. So, little morning routine in the van. I already washed my face. Now I'm gonna put on my sunscreen. Ooh, that guy caught a sick wave.
Really?
Oh,
it
it
was
was
a girl.
It was a girl?
Yeah, which is even. I wish I could be like that. I wonder if I tried a shortboard if I could ever catch a board. So you know.
Yeah.
It's like, what do you do? And I'm like, I'm an accountant. I'm like, what do you do? He's like, I grow weed.
Breakfast is half a muffin.
It's really good though.
And those bars over there.
For pro athletes after a big win, they can be for everyone. We're making extravagance accessible.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Wait, something weird is happening. It didn't open all the way. Hello, so I've done a pretty bad job today at sort of keeping track of what we're doing, but do you want to show what we're eating for lunch?
I've never had it before.
So if you've been following this trip, in this video we've I think already had it once, but in the last video we also had it. So this is our third time getting Ike's on this trip, but we really like it. But we're just gonna eat and get on the road going back down south, because tonight for New Year's we're gonna be in Cambria, where we're gonna meet my mom, and we have like a bed and breakfast and everything, so it's gonna be nice. We're gonna have a shower, a real bed, a real toilet, everything we've been missing, which is very exciting. Today we kind of just like hung out in Santa Cruz a little bit. We met even more new van friends, and now we're gonna head back down. Oh, and then we went to the beach on the way home. So now we're gonna head down and eat lunch before our drive. So let's go.
It's gone. It's chill. We're
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's a new year, Mama.
What?
It's a new year.
Oh, Happy New Year.
Hello, Happy New Year. It is January 1st, the new year. And sorry I didn't film much yesterday, but we basically drove from Santa Cruz to Cambria, where we met up with my mom. Last night was nice. We had a hot shower and a flushing toilet and all the little things we've kind of been missing. And so today, Lindsay left this morning, so she took the van home, and now I'm here because I have my mom's car still. And so my mom and I are gonna hang out for another day, and it should be fun. We are at a really cute restaurant for lunch, and then we'll probably ride some bikes, play paddle tennis on the beach, go for a walk, and whatever else. So the trip goes on, even though the van has gone home.
I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the times.